And for today's adventure guys, ang tawag dito sa activity natin ngayong araw is the K-Drama Tour. Dahil pupunta tayo sa mga iconic spots, yung mga temples and villages kung saan sinut yung mga sikat na K-Drama. So ayan, dito sinut yung music video ng BTS. Grabe yung rules dito. Pag naglakad ka dun sa hindi mo dapat lakaran, patay ka. Alam nyo guys, sobrang laki pala nito. Pero, ang ganda niya, nakakain din ng quality sangyup.
Korean traditional candy. How about pasalubong?
So guys, pag nagpunta kayo dito, bawal ang maingay. You have to be mindful, walang pasaway. According kay Sunny, para siyang Dubai. Oh, wow! Hi guys, it's our day 5 here in Korea. And for today's adventure guys, ang tawag dito sa activity natin ngayong araw is the K-Drama Tour. Dahil pupunta tayo sa mga iconic spots, yung mga temples and villages kung saan sinut yung mga sikat na K-Drama. Kaya tara guys, samahan nyo kami for another fun adventure here in Korea. Let's go! What's the name of the temple again?
Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Cheongbuku
Palace.
Palace.
Yeah.
So guys, nag-shoot pala ng music video ang BTS dito. Tara, pasok tayo. Ayan, merong show.
We will now begin changing of the Royal Palace Guard ceremony. Thank you for your cooperation.
Right guys, tapos na yung ceremony. Picture take na tayo. Alright, let's go. Alam nyo guys, sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga yung mga ganitong countries na sobrang yaman ng kultura nila. Tingnan nyo guys, pwede kayo mag-costume dito. Teka, pasok na tayo. Here, only king can walk here.
One,
Okay.
two, three.
Okay. Grabe yung rules dito. Pag naglakad ka dun sa hindi mo dapat lakaran, patay ka. Ito parang daanan to ng mga soldiers, I think. By the way, adults lang pala may bayad dito. So kapag kids, libre na. Ayan guys, tignan nyo, ang dami naka-costume for the photo shoot. Oh, wow, ang ganda. Ano yan? That's the main hall?
Yeah.
That's where the throne is?
The
Okay.
official events were held here. The coronation and reception for foreign envoys and then National Assembly.
Oh, yan. Dito sinut yung music video ng BTS. Ay, Dynamite.
Yeah,
Oo nga.
Dynamite here.
Guys, itong mga stone pala na yan. Yan yung parang soldiers formation. So, dyan nakatayo yung pinakamataas na rango. Pababa. Kaya nandyan sa loob yung throne ng king. So, pasok tayo. Yan guys, that's the king's throne. Ganyan talaga yung sa mga Korean novela, di ba napapanood natin? That dragon guys symbolizes the king. Alright, I think we're done here. Tingnan natin kung meron pa papupuntahan sa atin si tour guide, pero kung wala na, we'll head on our next spot. Let's go! Ay, ang ganda rito. This is where the king works. What's that? The bonfire?
Bonfire to warm the floor.
Oh, it's because the king rests on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay. They don't have a bed?
Yeah, we don't have
Before.
bed, yeah. Sheet, blanket on the floor.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to the king's bedroom. The king is sleeping. That's the king's storage. Oh, dyan nilalagay mga gamit ng hari. Grabe naman yung bedroom ni king. That's why it's called king's bed. So, itong king's bedroom pala guys, maraming rooms dito sa loob. Nakita niyo maraming rooms. for security reason, if ever meron siyang enemy, hindi niya agad malaman kung nasan yung king. And also, itong room na to, it's all empty. Kumbaga parang blanket lang siya sa floor. Wala siyang furnitures kasi nga, yung furnitures can also be used as weapon to kill the king. Ayan. So, si king daw kasi is takot siyang mapatay. Kaya, etong bedroom niya is built that way. Actually, yung ganyan strategy, ginagawa na rin ng mga presidente, di ba? Whenever they go to other countries, mag-travel sila on limousine. Marami yan, you really don't know kung saan nakasakay yung mismong presidente. Alam nyo guys, sobrang laki pala nito. Pero, ang ganda niya, actually nakapunta kami ng ganito sa Japan before. I think sa Tokyo or sa Nagoya. Mas maganda to. Ayan, ito pala yung balon nila guys para sa tubig. This one's the queen's bedroom. Oh, they don't sleep together because the king is scared to be killed.
Visit her and sleep together.
Okay.
But he has many concubines.
Ay. He has many wives.
Yeah.
The king is pablings. Pasok, no? Alam mo, yung mga king pala, pabling. Ayan guys, this is the party hall of the kingdom. Dito ginaganap lahat ng mga parties. Is that a coffee shop?
Yeah.
Okay, let's buy coffee here. You want coffee? I'll buy you coffee.
You want to buy me coffee?
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I'll buy you coffee. What coffee do you want?
Americano.
Americano. What? Okay. Bili muna tayong coffee guys para magkaroon tayo ng energy. So yan guys, according kay Junie, yung tatlong gate na yan, sa middle, king lang ang pwedeng pumasok dyan. Ayan o, si King Inay. And I am King Ama. Alright, we're here. Mag-lunch muna tayo guys dito. You see the advantage of having really good tour guide. Alam agad saan ang spot na kailangan natin. Pag sinabi natin Samgyup, alam niya. Let's go! Ganado na oh. Guys, tignan niyo naman yung tour guide natin ha. Tour guide na, photographer na, cook pa. Yan na guys. Fairness ang ganda ng beef nila. Compare doon sa mga una nating nakainan na beef. Grabe guys, tignan niyo, ubos agad oh. Game, let's see it. Ganda ng beef nila guys oh. Quality beef. Nakakain din ang quality ng Samgyup. Alright guys, that was again a solid lunch. Ang sarap dito guys ng samgyupsal nila. Sobrang solid ng beef, walang litid, makapal, tapos malambot. Compare dun sa kinainan natin mga samgyup dun sa sa Myeongdong, no? Anyway guys, from here pala maglalakad na lang tayo papunta dun sa next spot natin. Ganado si Pogi oh. Ayan, tamang-tama to guys. Let's walk para tapak-tak natin lahat ng calories and fats. Talagang itaktak mo eh. Itaktak mo!
Hindi kita kasama.
This is the main street?
Yeah, Main Street.
Okay.
Many antique shops and
Antique
calligraphy.
shops?
Antique.
Okay. Mukhang maganda rito. Hi!
Masarap candy.
Masarap! Ano yan?
Kain lang na. Masarap yun, yung Dragon's Beard! Elizabeth, visit here.
Oh!
Elizabeth's kid.
Queen Elizabeth?
Visit here.
Oh! Kasi Queen Elizabeth oh. Si Boss Publix din bumisita rito.
Before signature, we use the seal.
Kasi signature.
Ah, seal. Okay.
Queen Elizabeth visit here.
The King of Netherlands! Kala ko si SB.
You can customize your name.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
kumusta?
Basta...
Korean traditional candy.
No
honey,
honey.
fermented honey and honey cornstarch made whole and now is onion made. Make 16,000 shilling. Oh, 짜잔.
Wow!
Not yet.
Not yet.
16,000 honey string. 짜잔.
Oh.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god.
소프란 masarap.
Sobrang masarap.
This whiskey you can bring back Manila no problem. You can keep outside 1 month. In the refrigerator 3 months.
Oh, wow.
For pasalubong. So your first time, I give Patikim.
Patikim.
Okay?
Free taste.
Yes, Patikim. So United bring back for your boyfriend. Pasalubong. Sulip.
Tropa ni James yan eh.
Sabi niya, pati.
Oo.
Yes, Mahagita Telefe.
Kuha kayo.
Mahagita.
Kairi.
Patikim.
Patikim.
Come on.
One
Sarap.
bite.
Masarap.
Yes,
Masarap.
How about Pasalubong?
Subo mo na diretso kakapon. Ayan na.
If you buy Lima, libre isa. Wallu, libre 달라와.
Grabe, ang galing mag-Tagalog oh.
알몬드. 3. Okay, so I give extra chocolate. 3.
Alright.
42,000. Salamat po.
Wala. Thank you.
이베를 프로즈. 사나우.
Bye.
mahagita.
Sandali tayo ngayon sa pasalubong area nila. So, dyan daw sa ibabaw, yan yung mga handicrafts. Alam nyo, ang lamig ngayon ha. Ayun o. Tayo, na-videoan ko yun. Angas. Popost ko yun, sige. Post ko daw. Ang yabang talaga. Mga Korean traditional masks. Ganda ng mga puno guys, oh. Ganda ng structure ng building guys, oh. And guys, just across the street, that is the Jogesa Temple. Diyan tayo pupunta. Tignan nyo guys yung kalsada ng Korea. Ang ganda rin, oh. Mag-wish ka na. Make a wish.
Tama na!
Nakapag-wish na tayo guys. Let's see kung matutupad siya. Diyan sa mga lanterns na yan guys, nandyan daw yung mga family names and their wishes. Nakita niyo yung tree na yan guys, that is the white pine tree. Galing China yan guys, since it's very rare. That's a very rare tree. And guess what? That is already 500 years old. According to Sunny is the child Buddha. Alam mo, ang galing ng tour guide natin ha. She's very knowledgeable. Galing ni Sunny. Guys, this is the main hall of the Jogesa Temple. Meron 3 Buddha dyan, no? 3 Buddhas inside?
Yeah, three
Okay.
Buddhas. In the center, the Shakyamuni Buddha, the founder of the Buddhism.
Okay, the founder of Buddhism.
Your right side is medicine Buddha. He holds the container where you have a family, a sick family, mentally and physically pray.
Okay.
He can cure you,
Oh, wow.
your family. The left side is Amitabha Buddha. He's a paradise Buddha. So we can be reborn in the paradise.
Guys, tignan nyo, ang ganda ng structure. Guys, from Buddhism, no? I'm not sure dito guys ha, sa mga Buddhism dyan ha. Kung mahirap ka ngayon, or kung naghihirap ka ngayon, probably dun sa old life mo, or past life mo, gumawa ka naman sa mga bagay. Kung nabubuhay ka ngayon na maganda ang buhay mo, feeling ko naman, hindi naman sa lahat to, no? Kung maganda ang buhay mo ngayon, ibig sabihin, nung past life mo, gumagawa ka ng kabutihan. So, ibig sabihin, kung gumagawa ka ng kasamaan ngayon, maaani mo yan dun sa next life mo. So, the goal is, matigil yung cycle ng mamamatay ka, mabubuhay ka, mamamatay ka, mabubuhay ka. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng enlightenment para you can be your own Buddha. Pag nagkaganon, magkakaroon ka ng eternal life. Hindi ako sure dun ha, explanation ni Sunny yun. We're done here on the Jogesa Temple. By the way guys, we were able to offer a prayer. Yan. Nakapagdasal kami ni Kuya. Yeah!
Light incense.
I have to light an incense. Kailan doon mag-light ng incense?
Pray for family's happiness and well-being, good health. Your Chinese zodiac is cow.
Oh, cow.
Yeah, cow.
Chinese zodiac is cow.
Fine.
All this time, I thought I was an ox. Okay, magpa-picture kayo sa mga ano nyo, sa zodiac nyo. Oh, dragon, the rabbit. Oh, your swerte. Oh. Yan, that's me.
Kumukha mo nga.
Kakao.
May sungay.
Kaya pala sabi na, ganun siya ng ganun.
Kaya pala pag may sungay si Papa.
You know what that means? Hard worker and yummy. Because cow is masarap. Different hand gesture, different meaning. What is that tree again?
Scala tree.
Scala tree, and that is
450 years old.
450 years old, guys. Alright, hinintay lang natin yung service natin dito and then pupunta na tayo ng Korean House Village. Grabe na, very knowledgeable yung tour guide natin, si Sunny. Kaya kayo guys, pag pupunta kayo dito sa Korea, book kayo kay Sunny. Sobrang knowledgeable, maasikaso. Okay, let's do it! Dito pala guys sa village na yun. Actual villagers nakatira dyan. So bawal ang maingay dyan.
This area with restricted visiting hours for tourists. 17, 10.
Okay, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's giving Kyoto vibe dun sa tower. So guys, pag nagpunta kayo dito, bawal ang maingay. You have to be mindful, walang pasaway, kasi we have to respect them for allowing us to experience the beauty of their place, the beauty of their village. Dito pala sa village na to guys, sinut yung mga K-drama. Many K-dramas are filmed here.
Yeah.
Bokchon Village.
Yes.
Ang ganda guys, oh. Ito yung pinaka-popular alley dito eh. Ganda ng view guys, oh.
Very foggy.
What's the title of the film?
Personal taste.
Dito film. Ayan, sa bahay niyan. Kaya may mga souvenir shops din dito before you exit the village. It's an old Catholic church. So medyo ni-renovate na rin nila para maging modern siya. And Korean pa rin yung vibe. Let's offer a prayer. Guys, ang haba ng pila oh. Mukhang sikat tong bakery na to. Anyway guys, papunta na tayo ng Namsan Tower. We're gonna ride a cable car. Sakto diba, the other day, we were supposed to go there. Nag-malfunction yung elevator. And we took it as a sign na wag tumuloy. So, eto na. Patutuloy na. Let's go. Guys, tingnan niyo yung mga dahon. Parang malalaglag na sila, isang malakas na hangin na lang. Ayan na guys, we're here. That's the Namsan Tower. Sakay tayo ng cable car dito para makapunta doon. Ayan guys, you need to buy tickets. Here's ito yung mga prices. So itong ticket na to guys, para sa lahat na to. Hindi pwedeng mawala. Kung hindi, kasabit lang daw tayo dun sa ano.
No lie. You don't need to wait for a long.
Oh wow,
We can
nice.
take cable car soon.
Swerte pala tayo. Konti lang yung mga tao. Ayan. So mga 5 to 10 minutes na tayo maghihintay. Normally maghihintay ka rito guys mga more than an hour. Yung nabili pala natin tickets guys, hanggang dun lang sa mountain. Hindi hanggang dun sa tuktok ng Namsan Tower. Pero if you wanted to really go to Namsan Tower, you have to buy another ticket para makapunta ka. So tingnan natin kung gusto pa rin nilang pumunta ng Namsan.
Pasaya pa yung Vivian.
Bye! See you later! May observatory deck doon sa tuktok ng Namsan Tower. Wow, ang ganda oh. Let's take a picture. Dito sa paanan ng tower guys, ito yung mga makikita nyo. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda oh. For sure, mas maganda to sa cherry blossom. There's a couple lock. Oh, ang bigat din niya oh. Buti hindi bumabagsak to. Akit tayo dito guys. Ito yung ibaba ng tower. Punta na tayo dito habang yung mga kids nandun sa coffee shop. Nagpapahinga sila eh. Yeah, I think there's a waiting area here. Yeah, no? There's a tower. Ayan, kung gusto niyo umakyat dun sa tower, you need to buy separate tickets. So may dining doon, so may restaurant doon. So that's the view of the tower and the city at night. So yan, ganito lang siya. Para siyang small park. Sa taas naman, there is an observatory deck. Kitang-kita mo ang buong view, tong buong city. So tara, punta tayo sa kanila dun sa coffee shop. Dahil nauuhaw na ako. Bakaw talaga sa chicharap nito.
Pang.
Batang chicharap. Guys, so we found a good spot here, oh. Ito yung spot na maganda. Actually, alam yung tour guide, pero wala kaming tour guide ngayon dito sa pag-akyat na iwan si Sunny. Pero I heard dun sa kaninang tour guide ng ibang mga turista, this is the perfect spot. So, natsambahan natin. Dito yan sa gilid itong corn dog store. Dito lang, that's the entrance. Dito sa gilid itong coffee shop. Akit lang kayo na isa, ah. Dito na yan. Yan. Tayo, coffee tayo. By the way, according pala kahapon dun sa Uber driver natin, the reason kung bakit hazy ang temperature ngayon dito sa Korea is because yung mga fine dust daw from China na pupunta rito. And I don't know if it's safe to go out kasi kahapon, according sa news, it is better daw na not to go out. Fortunately, yesterday, nandun tayo sa Lotte World Adventure. Indoor yung activity natin kahapon. However, today, outdoor siya. So, I'm not sure if it's already safe. Hopefully, safe ngayon. Here's the view of the cable car. Meron ka rin top view dito. Hindi nga lang siya 360. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng ticket, diba, para makita mo yung top view. Itong city. Yan guys, nag-order muna tayo ng snack. Nakakahiya eh. Nag-video tayo dito sa loob ng coffee shop. Tapos di tayo mag-order. So, nag-order tayo na one hot cafe latte. Of course, our favorite. And a pizza for the kids. Cheers. Masarap yung latte nila. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-asukal. Hinihintay na pala tayo ng tour guide natin. Baka i-take out na lang natin ng pizza. So after this guys, balik na tayo yung Myeongdong. Pahinga lang tayo ng content and labas ulit. Pag-check tayo ng mga stores. Please tignan yung pizza nila, parang ang sarap. Gusto ko sa pizza yung manipis lang yung dough. Ayan na. Message yung editor natin guys na food poison daw siya. Natawagan ko lang. Itong editor ko guys, sobrang galing niya ito. Hello Ace. Oh, kamusta ka? Hello.
Sakit po daw. Gising ko, sobrang sakit.
May hilab? Hilab o masakit?
Hindi po. Masakit po talaga. Para siyang dysmenorrhea na nasa stomach.
Oh, pag hindi mo kaya tama yun, magpa-ER ka na. Kaysa kung ano pang. Baka kasi may biasis yan. Okay lang, pahinga ka muna. Wala namang problema. Basta let me know lang kapag ready ka na ulit. Importante gumaling ka.
Opo, boss.
Sige, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Alam nyo guys, yung mga staff ko, well, lahat naman ng staff ko, whenever they ask that they need to rest muna, especially yung editing team ko and yung core team ko, no, pinahaya ko magpahinga kasi ayoko ma-burnout sila. Kasi kung pipilitin ko sila magtrabaho, mag-perform, nang wala naman sila sa tamang wisyo, hindi rin magiging magandang productivity. Sayang lang, nagbayad ako, tapos napagod siya, hindi naman maganda yung output. So might as well, pahingayin mo na lang siya, for sure they will appreciate it pa. Pagbalik niyan, hataw magtrabaho yan, for sure maganda output niya. Ganyan ako sa mga staff ko na I consider asset. Kahit wala ako nagtatrabaho, working with integrity. So imagine, dito ako sa Korea, pinag-branch visit ko sila, pinag-create ko ng content sa mga branches namin. So gumagalaw, go-operate ang business without me. That's delegation. Pero you can only do delegation efficiently with the right people. The right people that's gonna be working with integrity. Yung mga hindi nyo kailangan bantayan ng mga tao. Yung mga tao nyo na giving it the extra mile, you know, hindi yung kung magkano sweldo yun ng trabaho. Those are what you can consider asset in your company. Nagmamadali po yan, pero nakakita ng pizza, kumain, napastop over.
PG?
Guys, pababa na tayo. Lobat na ako guys, so pag ito namatay, most likely after this, Myeongdong na yung next clip natin. Let's go. Tignan nyo, yung loob nyo is actually very futuristic. Yan. I'm not sure lang kung pwede pumasok dito. According kay Sunny, para siyang Dubai. Oh, wow! Damn! Is this a man or a woman? I think this is a woman. Ayan guys, again, nandito tayo sa DDP Dongdaemun Design Plaza. It's just a few minutes away from Namsan Tower. So, might as well, pinuntahan na namin since few minutes away lang. Again, sabi ko nga, that's the advantage of having a private tour. Hindi masyadong stricto yung oras nyo. Diba? Basta pasok dun sa napag-usapang oras o binook mo. Pwede ka magsingit ng mga itinerary in the middle. Basta pasok pa. So actually, itong DDP na to, kanina nag-insist dito. Kasi nga, sayang daw. Total, may araw pa naman. And si Sunny is our newest subscriber. I-check mo na guys, yung background. Ayan siya guys. Actually, maganda itong pang photoshoot. Kasi aesthetic yung background nyo. So sabi nga niya, Sunny, this building has no pillars and has no windows. Ganda oh. Tingnan nyo to. Ito, ang ganda. Ganda spot to. That's the structure.
Yeah. So many steel triangles inside. They support each other.
Ayan guys, hindi tayo sa basement 2. Ito guys, connected din sa subway. Ang ganda rito mag-picture. Meron siya dito interactive LED oh. Ito pinakikita yung yung structure ng building. So ayan, nandun tayo kanina.